Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Mechanic performing oil change finds owl under car's hood in Salem. A mechanic in Salem made a stunning discovery while performing a routine oil change on a car. The Pep Boys mechanic popped open the hood of a car and found an eastern screech owl, which they later named Shesma. The owl was sitting on the engine. The car owner had no idea how the owl got under the hood. Police believe the owl may have been seeking warmth or chasing a mouse. Police said the owl, which seemed a bit lethargic, was transported to the on-the-wing rehabilitation facility in Epping to be evaluated. And here's the Facebook post Salem Police wrote on Facebook. Pep Boys Auto Repair popped the hood of a car for a routine oil change, and Shesma, an eastern screech owl. Shesma was sitting on the engine, and the car owner had no idea how he got there. We figure he was either seeking warmth or chasing a mouse. Shesma was very friendly and was easily handled by ACO Bliss and Officer Matt McKenzie. The owl was a bit lethargic, so it was transported to the Wildlife Rehabilitation on the Wing in Epping, New Hampshire for evaluation. Good luck, Shesma. We hope you heal well. And here's a photo of that owl. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll be back with more news reports tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Bye.